Hello, a new trip today to Rock Point Provincial Park. This park is situated in the most southernmost part of Canada, in the province of Ontario, and it's at one of the Great Lakes here called Lake Erie. Across the water is Cleveland and the American shore. I have put together the campsite. I got here, I set up the tent. We have the fire pit here. We're gonna do some marshmallows tonight, and I'm gonna cook some food. Not far from here there is a beach at the lake, and also a lake shore that is filled with fossils. I'm gonna go see what that's about, and we're gonna go from there. So let's go. Wow. I got into the area where they talk about a lot of fossils in the rock. So I'm just walking around here, and in some areas you can see like the coral that was fossilized in the rock here. So all these things looks like you can clearly see it here, fossilized, wherever it was. Like here, a big one, and here all kinds of fossils, all kinds. But also what I found here, probably from a storm, look how many of these little fish brought by the storm or waves. I'm not sure. Whole bunch of them everywhere, and I see them on the beach as well, just laying there. And look at this little gulf over here. Just gorgeous, very, very quaint. Over there is a lighthouse, and past the water span is the United States, south of Lake Erie. But it's a very interesting place here. You can see how the water level was higher, all this algae, and it's receding. Look, another fossil here, very beautiful. And then you see here the nice forest and birds and so on. Yeah, it's a very, very cool place. More fossils here. I'm gonna head out to the beach, see how that looks like. So this is how the facilities look like in a provincial park here in Ontario, Canada. This is the washroom, and around back they have showers. Let's see. Yeah, that's it. That's what you need. Some of them have also washing facilities with washer and dryer for people that stay for longer. And they have multiple depending how big the campsite is. But this is just a small one, so there's another serving station a little bit further east. Everybody left. Okay, so this is it for this weekend. Short trip here on the shores of Lake Erie. It was really good to see those fossils in the beach and the beautiful sandy beach at Lake Erie. Very interesting, a very warm weekend. 25 degrees centigrade in the tent last night, very hot. Over 30 degrees during the day with a lot of humidity. I picked up all the tent and everything that I have. I'm getting ready to head out. I have maybe 4 hours drive to get home. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to thank you for liking and subscribing. Until next time, I will say don't forget to take a hike. Gelone out.